Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord you don't have permission. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for the Discord, and basically you need to log in into your account. You can download app as well. So I'm going to open Discord in my browser, and you need to log in into your account. So once you've done that, you can find different messages here. But if you are seeing the problem that you are unable to send message in any server, so basically it happens when the you can say that admin might block you, so you are unable to send the message. And the second issue is that might be you are temporarily banned or blocked. So these are the main two reasons. You can ask from the admin that might be you are blocked or not, and he can check for you, and if he blocked you from sending the message, he can allow you. So this is the only two methods you can do that, and you can easily fix Discord you don't have permission. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.